guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making Chicken Mirabella, one of my favorite chicken dinners. So let's get right into the ingredients. So what you need is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You need 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Then you need 6 pitted prunes. You need 6 pitted green olives. And you need 1/8 cup of brown sugar. You need 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You need 1 tablespoon of capers with the liquid. Then you need 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And then you need 1/8 cup of white wine. And then you need 1 bay leaf. You need some oregano. And some salt and pepper. And that's all. So now we put up the bag. And you marinate this overnight. And at 350 you marinate this overnight in your refrigerator. So we're gonna put this over here. And now I already have one made in the oven for 350 for 30 minutes. Over here. Get our trivet. Take this, put it on the trivet. And we get our plate. And we get our couscous. And get our fish spatula. And we scoop the chicken. Up onto the plate. This looks amazing. And when it's in the oven, you have to, after 15 minutes, you have to spoon all these juices onto the chicken so it doesn't get dry. It needs to get moist. So here, Mom. Just gonna all the nice juices in there. And now we get couscous. Put this over here. And now get our couscous. And we put this right here. And it just came, this chicken just came out of the oven. And the couscous is smelling great. And this is just all really coming together. And now, this is what it looks like. Here's our Chicken Mirabella. So comment down below if you made it. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you next time, guys. See ya.